What's up, fam? What's going on, y'all? We are at the car wash. Babe is vacuuming. He getting me right, y'all. Say what's up to the fam, babe. Babe, say what's up to the fam. What's up, fam, man? Look at the kids, y'all. Do what they want to do. Say hey, fam, bam.
I want to stay here. Get back in, y'all.
Daddy said get back in. Let's go. Can you get out? Babe, they ain't even do a good job on your car.
Yeah, they did.
Except for the back seat. Yeah, come on, son.
Get out.
Y'all. Babe was being such a gentleman. Love him for it, y'all. He treated me right today. He got me a hands-free mount. We stopped at AutoZone. I didn't vlog that. Cause you know Georgia is a hands-free state. Yeah, put y'all right there. Put y'all right there. Yep, I just messed it up some more.
You throw that bag away? Oh, you see, I got it.
No, it's in my purse.
You ain't gotta throw it away.
I just had it in my purse.
I say, cause oh, that's everything. That was all.
That's the trash. So y'all, little babe just got me. He got me a mount for the, but he got his phone on him. But I just put my rose gold sticker thing. He also got me the case. Bestie got me the case. His best friend A.
I got the case.
Oh, he got the case. He got the headlights. They don't know about the headlights. It's been a minute since I picked up the camera. But now we finna go over to my mom's house, I think. And then we're gonna do the car. Huh? He don't know. Yeah, he's just trying to treat me right. Which I appreciate, because I told him to take my Christmas present back. See, your tithe, paying your tithe is my Christmas present. You got on my side. He got on my side. That might sound crazy to some of y'all.
You got your side like
me. Oh, okay, you gotta stay in this lane. But I ain't trying to mess with it, y'all. God has been too good to us. I'm not trying to mess with it, so yeah. But anyway, that's about it right now.
It's a little too much information for y'all.
No, it's not, babe. I don't think so. You think so? I'm just being honest, y'all. He got me a nice outfit for Christmas. Showed it to me. It's like the Saturday before Christmas. He showed it to me the Friday before Christmas. And I was like, baby, I would rather you take that back, pay your time. Like, baby, they know nothing about like your new job. You know what I'm saying? Like, they just don't know nothing because I ain't been vlogging like that. So
we're gonna keep them out of our business.
We're gonna keep them out?
We're gonna keep them out of our business because you got some haters out here in the world and they want to see you down. They don't want to see you win.
That's true. Just know he ain't on the road no more. He's still a truck driver.
They don't want to see you win. You know, people don't want to see you win. They fall. They prey on your downfall. We're not gonna fall.
That's why we stay prayed up, and I want to be obedient to God's word. I'm trying to tell y'all, better get into that word. But we finna take the kids, drop them off, dump them off. I'm just like,
you wanna do that.
Alright, y'all, we at the car wash.
Yeah.
We at the car wash. About to get my baby cleaned up. Look, they wanna know what I'm doing. They wanna know why I got a camera.
What is it?
Huh? I have a YouTube channel.
Oh. What's up, YouTube?
They like, what's she doing? They back there like, what is she doing? Hey, y'all. So I'm eating. We got some wings. Oh, I didn't see him before, I think. Babe got some wings. Y'all, we just chilling. They just pulled my car back at the car wash. I mean, y'all already know. Look, they just want to.
We got an automatic starter.
Look, y'all, they just want to turn up the chair in the way. But y'all see that SS Monte Carlo, he come.
And he got the orange HDMI.
He finna pull it up. Man, look at it. Clean. That thing clean, y'all. Look. They just want an excuse to
It's not a show.
to move it.
Nice.
Sound good though, y'all.
Got the automatic start on there.
You do? I didn't show y'all, but we dropped the kids off at my mama's house. So we can go handle some shopping.
A lot of shopping to do.
A lot of shopping to do. And then his cousin's birthday. So he having a shindig. Later on tonight. We're eating wings now, but it's a wing party. I can't get enough of wings, y'all. I feel like my wig is sliding back. Let me fix it. But I'm gonna eat my food and wait on my car to get done. Y'all, my baby just came out. She looking good. They wiping her down. She wet. She wet. She wet. Y'all, they getting busy. They got trucks over here. They got cars back there in the back. Then they got something in there they just pulled in.
They got a whole nother BMW.
Well, oh, somebody coming in. Yeah, oh, there you go. He moving it. That thing already clean, y'all. What they gonna do to it now? Oh, he playing the music. Y'all see my baby getting right over there. He said, come on. Come on. Come on. And now they blocking our view, y'all. Hold on, I'm gonna go get a better look. Y'all, they cleaning me up. They getting me right. They getting me right, y'all. Let's go over here to this side. See what they doing on this side. Woo! Woo, they got the shop back going. Are you good? You good? I ain't got you. I ain't got nobody face. Don't worry about it. Y'all, they cleaning it up. Yeah, he worried that he finna be on camera. Look, they cleaning the inside. Look, y'all, they cleaning the inside. You see? They get me right. They get me right. Look at baby. Hey, what you doing? Babe, what you doing?
Just pulled it out for you.
Oh my god, y'all. He done got rid of all my stuff.
There went none in there, y'all. If y'all believe.
That's alright, he just cleared it out for what I'm.
Don't believe the hype.
He just cleared it out for what I'm about to put in there.
Don't
anyway.
believe the hype. You too.
They probably almost finished, y'all. It's super jumping now. Look, it's cars everywhere now.
Told y'all, man. I pull up. Look, it got more cars pulling in.
Yeah, he's too tall. I can't see him.
He trying to get through here, but
the Budweiser truck. Y'all, she all done. She wet, y'all. She is all done. They got me right, y'all. Thank you. They got me right. Hey, you hold that for me. Thank you. Smell good, y'all. Hey. Okay. Okay. Hey. Crank up.
It's your keys. It's hard to crank.
I put them right there. Super good. Hey, what you think, buddy? You good? Hey, fam. Me and babe, we at the house. Just me and him. We came home for a minute. Now we leaving back out. We had to drop off some stuff.
Pick up some stuff.
Pick up some stuff.
Drop off a load.
Drop off a load. Pick up a load.
Hey, that's how you gonna do your sock?
Yeah, cause my pants too short. Y'all look, he talking about this how I'm gonna do my sock. I got on my sugar daddy socks, cause my pants. Y'all can't tell. But I just I've been going all day. I had to pee. Came in the house, almost peed on myself. So I had to get my pants changed.
We going again.
And going again. Alright, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey. Hey.